yes. So I know say once we don't show where you don't sell, so you don't hear that music, you don't see that sound bed, you don't say yes sir. The bubbles and them they don't show to concern you every better thing them we go make your night a very slow fake one. Why I said make it up for done. Yes, this one at the show they call Bubbles yeah. And
yes,
you know
yes,
since
yes.
2014 we done the save relationship.
Yeah.
Yes. When I don't see I'm seeing my men them, then they inside bar with me. Without this men, you don't go see me for here. Chakra.
Yes, even without you, self. Even without you.
You know, say today as I enter inside here, my spirit being the but as we just want to start now, can't they feel some, you know, understand?
Some vibing.
But before we continue, I don't know, Shakara, they tell us say you want do something on Thursday. What did happen on Thursday, Shakara?
I don't know.
Okay, now I don't know now. Because me, I don't hear. I hear the rumor before now. Say one girl they complain say you don't give her belly. So you blast say you want run. What did they happen? It's not a problem.
I wish you well.
Who they wish you well?
This period, the get person when Tiffy go give get belly. This period where President Buhari
They do it.
they probe everybody. Money never
So they want probe belly giver.
You know, even if they work people they work for private company, no be government. The person will get the company. Say they find out say thief government money take open that company. They go arrest
They
people
go
they work
arrest
there.
everybody inside.
Yeah, so
Na lie.
No, okay,
No, Buhari is not like that.
But you will get private company. They come meet you. Say you don't forget when government money that time.
So, but wait, Shakara, why you think of this probing? Because me, I talk about Bele, you go probing. Hold on. You don't say you don't go. Hold on, now why not?
You don't say you don't do politics.
You do politics during the campaign period. Are you trying to say we're not going to see you again? You want to escape?
I'm not escaping.
Are you trying to run to a village?
This thing up and say when I believe that they come, I they listen to Wazobia FM. So I call hear whether they analyze this problem thing. So me I come there against and say that person thief the money use an open company. Here my own point to employ people who don't get work. You understand? Some people thief their own can go abroad.
Okay.
You understand?
So that means that guy doesn't supposed to probe that guy. In other words, wait till they try to talk the
He
same.
help economy.
Wait now, calm down. Wait till they talk the same. When you want to do your show, that producer will give you money to do your show. They go probe you also.
But
at least he help
your show.
If he don't get job,
the profit
then that my show help some people. We do some things, vendors, people will print flyers.
I put it to you point blank and categorically that you'll be probed. And you are, in fact, we are collecting Shakara's passport. Anything, Kuala Lumpur, anyone, you don't lost. The similar.
Yes, Abeg, we don't come today. We matter 1 year today. They're very, very prolific. I like them because now within the rain these days now with that. When you come to talk of social media things, now in the rain. We just want to ask this simple question today. Say, either materialistic or either sure, or you go fit find true love on top internet. That a matter we want to talk about today. You go fit find true love on top internet because you know say all these social media platforms. So many people they go there say they want to go find true love for there, and from there so many bad things they happen. But today we want to talk about it. Can you find true love on internet?
You know, say Shakara. You know the words you answer immediately because
yes,
you are not an internet person. So your PA then they do everything for you. Come on, keep quiet.
So
let me expose you.
No,
which girls?
Shakara the IG now.
Nice. Ladies, I want to expose Shakara. If you see any message say, oh, I love you. Oh, how are you? No be type amo. Now in PA, the answer, no be you Shakara. So you know
at times when I'm busy, sometimes when I'm very busy, and they go say you dey rude, you know they reply. You understand? And I dey on set somewhere, from there I dey another place, so I want to reply. So instead of me message say 4 days without reply.
So he go reply for
yes,
you.
So
in other words, you know anything about internet.
I know, just that I'm busy.
Okay, now let's go to the major topic. Now, when I feel say true love fit come out from internet. You know, say most times you go meet some kind girls or you go meet some guys for internet. Una go gist, una go talk from there, una go get close, then constant communication and all that. How it take be maybe that kind of true love?
Show man figure problem with that one because in the finding you go where big men children dey. So I know even before you talk, for me I believe say if you find true love for net.
Okay.
How many times you don't come and tell us say there's this girl you were chatting with online every time? I want Buhari's daughter.
Buhari is here on internet. Buhari's daughter is my future partner.
You know why I bring this in now? Because I'm very sure, say you don't believe in this true love on internet.
Shakara, you know go put me on the spot.
No.
You ask question.
No answer with question.
The two they inside. Because you can find. And sometimes if you don't find. I know say I don't meet friends.
But what we are
a lot on the internet.
What we are saying is can you find?
Yeah, you can find.
You can find true love on the internet.
You can find true love.
Good.
But my wahala with internet love be say most times people when they go search, when they go internet to go find true love, they always first go with the mind say, especially guys. So they won't just go knock.
Crank.
You understand? Crank, escape.
Escape.
So maybe in the process, I've told you I don't believe in love. That's how me I feel. Me I believe say when you don't find your partner, then maybe after several maybe months or years, then love fits come begin they come in.
But most people part. So you don't believe say if you meet person today and I go they in love.
No.
No way. You know what is sparkle love self?
Wait, internet.
No. Just a little kindness can sparkle love.
Aside kindness, there's
why you want show kindness on internet?
Oh no, on the first yes now.
There's constant communication.
Do you know that
if you go person Instagram page now, if you go get his Instagram page now, you see,
a picture.
Sick bed, I get well soon. Blah blah blah. This is operation. If only I can get, I will give God time. Some people, seeking for help. Then you just help. You don't know how.
How you want to help? Do you know how many scammers waiting for that internet?
No. Will they talk of no be scammers now?
How you want to know?
You know say scammers they, but wait, you know say on top when it comes to internet love, showman, the most important thing where they make them they very very frequent because me I believe so if you find true love for internet.
You don't find
me.
Have you found?
How?
You don't find before.
Am I going there to look for?
Have you found? Yes or no? Have you found?
But I've seen
I want us. We are the only three guys here now.
I have not gone there to find, but we don't see people we don't see.
Where we know they again.
I have found. Me funny enough, yes, I don't find true love.
On that CD.
Yes, that my essay friend. We see the talk, but I don't want. I don't want. No, but she's in love till now. You understand? But we dated, but me I don't want again because of some reasons. Why I don't give you. I don't tell you the reasons.
Who you give? You don't tell us anything.
I don't tell you why they do like this. I don't tell you the reasons here now. Why I don't want to continue. But I have seen that as true love, which for me, I know say most like foreigners, yes, they fall in love easily with Nigerians. But inside Nigeria, no way. Because first and foremost, you there for Nigeria. Like you go now. You don't want to tell me say every day of your life, you dey meet people every day frequently. Why you don't love those ones when you see face to face? Even Jesus Christ said, he said, me you have in flesh. You know fit help me. Now, person when they for internet, now you want the help.
But wait,
you know,
this is the question.
It's easier to meet a girl online than physically. Because number one now, you are driving out, you see girls. You understand? That process where you go take park.
Come down.
The girl first.
Why must you see men like you now they always when they drive, you know they focus. You want to see girl for this thing. Why?
You will not look at the beautification of the city. As they drive, they say, wow. We think during fashion last time, this
good
thing.
So that bomb now way past.
So what really see? Waiting I don't notice for me now say I don't see say constant communication with one particular chick on the internet makes you closer. And at the end of the day, you not gonna know when you go start to like the girl.
Look, naturally,
no, truly, you not gonna know when you go start to like the girl.
Of course.
When you wake up in the morning, if they see the girl message, you don't ping you. You don't wake up in the morning.
But do not forget, let me tell you.
Ask you what's up.
One thing where they very deceptive about all this internet thing because a couple of us, especially when you there for TV like this, everybody want to follow you. They chat.
True.
And I said it last week, say you go one they respond. So person when they respond with most times, always they show you the good side of you know go always know, and then you go on you can't discover say 1 full year you dey chat with that person, maybe person dey Malaysia, you never see him yet. 1 full year now, you can't think say you really know that person, you like that person, you go visit and love. Okay. But when you can't see him in real life, now character will really come out.
Okay, wait. Away from that now, another advantage for that internet date will make you see, say if you just get true love easily online. You know, say they easy to communicate online than physical.
How?
Most guys no get the boldness to.
That's where you're here. Boldness really, out. You see?
Wait. Before we enter this boldness matter,
yes, we'll come back because I wanted that boldness thing.
When we come back, we'll talk the matter proper. I'm not going anywhere. I say Bobos here.
Yes, it happen.
Yes, it's possible.
Yes, it's really. If you find.
If they talk in person for internet, you go meet different kind of people now. And if you find someone will like you, when you meet them, maybe you date, you book to meet them somewhere and confuse say now you love. If you find you love now, yes, if you.
Person if you find love for internet, depending, but you know say internet love, no they last. You know, because most times they date there, they won't just use the guy. If say a girl chop him, go like that. If say a guy, you want to see whether the get home money. So internet love, I dey say I'm a scam, but if you dey lucky, if it last, if it work, if it turn to something where you go benefit from. But the danger side of the thing pass the favor one. Because why I'm saying this, you can find true love through internet. That means maybe you target, say, okay, oh, this is what I like this girl when I see it on the internet. Oh, this one and this one. But you know if you know the attitude from the way the girl carry. Sure, you know. No go feel disturbed. No, they can't just say, this is the one I love. Oh, this one goes with my wife. Oh. But until you meet face to face and sit together, you get me. But the danger aspect of this thing pass the other one. Oh. You get me. First, if you find true love on the internet, there's no doubt about that. No doubt. But the danger aspect of it is more than proven.
Yes, so now welcome back. Now say Bobos Yan una dey watch, and as the matter they go, una know say we dey talk about the matter today. Say you fit find true love on top internet, and my men them see the inside bar with me. Now everybody don't talk. A lot of people talk say yes. Some people not
before we even go their own. Shakara was hitting where on the bonus where
to talk to women,
and I want to talk about that.
Like me for example now. You get one actress. Don't do it, Dominic.
No, you have lost that battle now. It's not mine.
You like premature death. You just want me to just do you bad thing.
So you will plan kill me. I don't hear that. Who want kill me then? Who want kill me?
If it be motor, bicycle, anything. No, I must not be.
When the bicycle they carry they go back.
This address.
Call her name now.
Talk to her.
Call her name.
Sis.
Call her name. Are you proud of her?
You should be proud of her.
I can help you. I didn't meet them these days. I can help you. Tell me. Call her name.
They won't help me.
No. I spoke about. See, I told Rita.
So man, we be say, na me encourage her for help man. He don't tell you. I mean encourage her like this when it starts. We encourage you. I tell her say see. Keep doing it. Now you got to go international everywhere. Everywhere they fly.
So I go put my CV. Shakara was the encourager. But you don't forget, say, when you see me for house 45, when I hype, you don't believe that me be that. You were still shocked.
No, I said that's good. I was proud.
I'm not saying that. I'm not saying you're not. But Shakara, you. My point I want to say, I want you to tell us the person. You know why it's good? As guy men, they always like to know who
so our guys, so that we don't understand.
No come feedback tomorrow.
So may we know him.
Who be the girl?
No, we don't already come there now. They play everything. Don't
who be the girl?
Okay, Yvonne Jegede. I first see her, you understand? She deal with some guys, the people. I know if you just go excuse her, come up from those guys.
Because you don't get the bonus.
This Ultimate Man and the new one. And
but
BBA guy.
But Melvin was in that matter.
You understand? And then, you know, understand? So, I don't understand.
So what's happen now?
So what's going to happen? I
can't use internet.
I can't go Instagram. I can't Yvonne Jegede. He can't be like, we go to jazz. The picture of me.
Now you follow.
Now follow, you know. Follow, you know.
Now what your pay don't help you.
No. For that personal mission.
No, I talk about against the one they watch. She don't know who do one. Which one your pay help you for that for you?
This one personal mission.
Sometimes your pay help you.
Story.
Okay, story.
But I don't like her pictures. I don't like 7 pictures. I can't comment on one. You know, I just tell her, say, beauty reigns here.
Oh, scope of the year. Scope of the year. Beauty reigns here.
Yeah. So she can't put smile at Chakara. She can't put smile. I say, yes, at least. So,
attention has been gotten.
Now I come up from there. Now I go DM.
Straight up.
Now DM.
From there, you know, now the thing don't help you.
I say we should be closer. Pin, please.
Now you see, now we're not that one is different. That one because you see now you don't already see Yvonne face to face.
Yeah.
Do you understand? So at least you don't already know what they see. Most people don't go internet now. Now only face the show. When I see the girl, she no fit walk her. They call the run deliver. You must not run away now. You be one time. What do you see for that place? Because I believe I like one guy for that this wasting a scam most times.
True.
And everybody where I know when they go on, I can't just say and say. I define wife and I go on internet.
Agreed.
No way.
Agreed. Say it gets so many people who say they don't top internet. So we say na scam, they scam. Yes, I agree to that one. But I don't see scenarios where we say I feel count them from like 2009 till now. I don't see like 10 different people. Like 7 guys and 3 girls, we say they find their love on.
But I want to ask you that one question.
Sincerely speaking, and they are now married.
Sincerely speaking, Shakara,
yeah.
Can anybody just sit down on your own, can't tell himself say I dey find wife, make I find wife for internet?
Hey,
yes.
Showman,
yes.
Showman, recently, like the past,
No
let me bust your bubbles now. Now listen, the past 3 years. Till now, most of the marriages we don't take place for Nigeria, most start online. But you know why Nigerians are so secretive? They won't tell you, Oyibo, most of them, once they are wedding, we met on Facebook, we met, you know what I'm saying? She was my friend on Instagram, they will tell you. But Nigeria, the 2 of them will just agree, you know, they me, they no go laugh us. They all say,
we met somewhere. We meet for this place.
For airport, when we come back from here.
I agree very well with you because I know say yes.
Inside most of the celebrities, the same team.
Now we dey for modern age now, yes, and most times. Our lives just dey around our phone, our laptop, everything. I understand.
Talking.
And then yes, the chats they go on. But me, I don't believe say naturally say person go just sit down on your own. Can't think say you video because I tell you the truth, if I see a girl, like for instance now, Buhari's daughter, I can go and look for her on Instagram because I have a picture of her in my mind where I want. Do you understand?
Make we do Sisi
Opinion Shabali. You go get witchcraft.
When we come back,
I tell you.
Go ahead with the gist. We are coming back. If I show my neighbor solely me with time.
Okay.
Let's go.
That means okay. I don't think talk about.
It depends, Sha. It depends.
For me, well, it's true. You can find true love through internet. But for me, I'm not believe about that.
Yes. You feel find true love, but me, I no believer.
As for me, I don't know because I no believe for internet or Facebook or WhatsApp or anything. I no believe on that. I believe that I can find my love anywhere.
And me, I no fancy internet love, but for some people, they work for them, Sha. But for me, I know they go there.
Yes, let's find real love through internet. But some people they marry through internet.
If they chat for internet and then they decide to see one-on-one physical, then they fit take them up from there.
Yeah, yes, I think so because these days you go see people where we say that they come social media. Not be just to come say na play issue. Some people really mean them though, but it's just like sometimes
fate and destiny, people mistake the two things together. So if now your destiny, why? If he prevail, somebody like me, I'm dating a guy on a social media platform, and we've been together for we don't date together 7 years now. So what's there? You can't.
Yes, so now welcome back. When I don't hear every way our CC them gas talk on top this internet love matter. Now, if you just join us, matter what they talk about now, say you fit find true love on top internet. And my men them they here with us. Where we say we talk the matter. Now, if you get
sorry before you continue, I want to say we don't say for since last week and this week we don't want we never throw topics out on our social media, but from next week we go to throw out where you fit contribute. But for now, just hear us because we get enough to talk.
Meanwhile, Ogo, you know, say most of our colleagues, most celebrities, some the wife where they married now through internet, they meet, but they lock up.
Mention one,
but you want one. I don't want to mention those ones where they hide their own.
But is it a bad thing?
No. Now they hide them now. Wait, at least but the person where I want do special shout out to now. We come out playing and their marriage is one of the sweetest so far. The first when the relationship start now, so you put her, see this girl we meet for Facebook. If you know marry this girl, and then we say you know get wife again with that. Ike.
Ogbonna.
No, Ike where they host Big Brother.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Ike met his wife on Facebook. Yes, he met his wife on Facebook, and that marriage. If you see that marriage even from far away, you know you're gonna wish
but don't forget that time of Facebook, that time itself, I'm sure Instagram they never really come.
Instagram never come, WhatsApp never even come.
The scamming was not really much. And nobody tell you say you know fit find love. You can find love.
No scamming, you cannot just marry. That's scamming. You cannot just marry somebody where you meet online and say okay and they propose to you.
No.
As you don't meet them, una go meet. You go a house, you go all those
but
things.
The intention of most guys most times now always to crank. When a guy they go on social media, the first thing when they in mind now they crank.
Maybe you never reach that stage.
Get where you go reach.
Wait, I need to talk to Showman at this point.
Talk to me.
From this talk we talk now, it's very clear you are not ready for marriage anytime soon.
Ladies beware.
Yes. Man we're not ready for marriage, You get point you say you approach lady sex, That be the last thing they do your mind.
So now this is when I tell you now.
Yes.
You feel saying me. Now you want them. Or they tell you what most guys they do. And ladies out there even know. Even ladies they do them. Most ladies they go. Okay, tell me for Canada, where you they go on Instagram or anywhere where you they go check, you they find girl. You get specification where you they find. Most guys they where they only find rich people, rich women. Everybody girl they find.
Listen, but you know say if you are ready for marriage,
So if
you don't have a relationship,
if I'm ready for marriage
and
now,
you don't have a relationship,
he doesn't have a relationship.
So wait, show man like me now.
If you don't have a relationship,
now,
and you're ready for
so I
marriage,
can't go Instagram go they find wife.
Don't be saying they find wife. As today start, you get flash your face. Your mind go think marriage. Like she cool. You know what I can?
I know one find wife on social media.
You never imagine. You never know what can see girl for road. You imagine say this girl will be good wife.
Now here we go watch it come.
How you say you guys now
Now we go watch it come. Now here we go watch it come.
No way.
Don't worry. Anywhere where your love meet you, stay there, love them, continue to the love because God said we create this world. No say love. Now the most important.
And beware of internet scam.
You go find love anywhere. Internet anywhere. See you.
If you know say just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.